Hello, this is video 9 for Chapter 2, Section 2, Math0302, Beginning Algebra. We're going to start with Practice 3 now. We have a couple of word problems here. The first one says the sum of two numbers is 9. If one number is 2, find the other number. Let x equal the other number. Now we don't have much room here, so I'm using a different color to differentiate between blue and the previous example here. So we have the sum of two numbers is 9. So a number plus another number is equal to 9. So anytime you see is, that's an equal sign. Okay, so the sum of two numbers. So sum means addition. How many of them? 2. If one number is 2, I'm going to put a 2 right there, find the other number. And it says let x equal the other number. So we have here 2 plus x equals 9. This is a fairly simple linear equality that we can solve. All that we have to do is get rid of the 2. How do we get rid of the 2? If you said subtract 2, good, you're right. So I'm just going to subtract 2 from both sides here. That leaves me with x on the left-hand side equals 9 minus 2, which is 7. So x equals 7. Now, this is a word problem, which we want to make sure that we answer the correct question. It says find the other number, and that's what x represents. X is 7. Good. Now notice that we did this 3 separate times. We read it once, and then we read it again by writing stuff down. Then the third time we read to make sure that we answered the question. But because it's a word problem, we need to write the answer in a sentence. So I'm going to say the other number is 7. And in this problem, it's fairly easy to check if one number is 2, so 2 plus 7 gives me 9. Fantastic. Let's look at B. The sum of two numbers is 9. If one number is B, write the expression representing the other number. Okay. Now, it's just like what we did. It's just that one number is B this time. So the sum of two numbers is 9. So something plus something else equals 9. If one number is B, make that a B right there. It says write an expression representing the other number. So I'm going to let something happen here because it's not written. I'm going to let x equal the other number. Okay, so I'm going to put an x right here. Now notice that I have two separate variables here. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. All that has to happen here is I need to get x by itself. That means that this b needs to go to the other side. Now this b is being added to the x and it's a positive b. So to get rid of it, what do I do? Right, just like what we did up here by subtracting 2 from both sides, we can do down here. I can subtract b from both sides. That means that x is equal to 9 minus b. And again, it says write an expression representing the other number. So the other number is, now I don't have to write it down until I check it, so 9 minus b. So the other number is 9 minus b. Now again, we can check this if we want. We had the b plus. Now we have 9 minus b, we're hoping is 9. Now I don't need a parentheses here, so it's just b plus 9 minus b, and b and negative b cancel each other. I'm left with 9 equals 9. So that checks out as well. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, and then on the next one we will start with example C there, or the example labeled C.